All right, folks, today I'm diving into a topic that can seriously impact your financial health: how to choose the right credit repair company. If you're struggling with bad credit and need help, it's crucial to pick a company that's both effective and trustworthy. The right credit repair company can make a world of difference in your financial journey. So let's jump into the top 3 things you need to look for in a credit repair company. Number 1, transparency. When you're dealing with something as sensitive as your credit, you need a company that lays all its cards on the table. Check if they provide clear information about their services, fees, and the process they follow. Avoid companies that make vague promises or don't give you a detailed breakdown of what they're going to do. Transparency is key to building trust and ensuring you're not caught off guard by hidden fees or unrealistic promises. Next up, number 2, experience and credentials. Look for companies that have been in the business for a while and have a proven track record of success. Experience often translates to expertise in navigating the complexities of credit repair. Check for certifications and memberships in professional organizations. This adds a layer of credibility and shows they're committed to adhering to industry standards. You wouldn't want someone with no experience handling your finances, right? And finally, number 3, customer reviews and testimonials. In today's digital age, a company's reputation is just a click away. Take the time to read through customer reviews and testimonials. Look for patterns in the feedback. Are people generally satisfied with the results? Do they mention excellent customer service? These insights can give you a real sense of what to expect. Remember, a few negative reviews are normal, but if you see a consistent pattern of complaints, it's a red flag. So, there you have it: transparency, experience, and customer reviews. These 3 factors can make all the difference when choosing a credit repair company. And if you need credit repair from someone who's been in the field for 35 years, contact me at hello@ascendiacollective.com. Thanks for watching, and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on managing your finances. Catch you in the next video.